Well, you set us a nice old task, I must say.
But you did it.
Child's play, man. And when you said phone box at the end of the mews, you didn't say which end. There's one in the street behind us.
Sorry, the north.
Don't worry, we monitor.
It's a rush call. I nearly missed the plane.
Hello, Anne? It's Sally here.
Next.
Anne? What happened? We got cut off.
Just reporting. No sign of anyone yet. How long do you want me to wait?
Until further orders. Check back every hour. Or better give me that box number
That's
in
it.
case I need
Take it back to dialing.
Belgrave?
Set return dialing speed. Harrow 3260, the winning combination.
Oh, you're a bloody miracle, man. Can I use your phone while you check
My
that?
dear chap, I can even offer you a drink.
I'd rather have that address.
Express priority.
And you needn't monitor this number. It's my own.
Yes, we already have that.